Hello, lovelies. We're back at Rusty's in the Inn building. We haven't said that in a while.
Oh, yeah, we're in the Inn building.
We're in the Inn building.
We've been outside because it's been nice outside, but I just
Pretty
got
soon
home
we'll be in the
from
outbuilding.
Some new ink.
Tattoo.
Full sleeve, here we go.
It's her body.
It's my body, my choice.
And they're beautiful art pieces.
Yes.
So we're here today because we actually got some
Happy Mail
from Mombie. Her real name, she's Mombie on YouTube, and her real name is Amy. So hey, thank you,
Hello.
Amy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm very excited.
Much. Yes, very happy. All right.
All right, we doing this?
Yes. And from what we understand, she said she couldn't remember what you put.
So, oh yeah, that's what I was going to say. So this is actually the ultimate unboxing mystery surprise because she too doesn't exactly remember what she packed in this. So while you're watching this, Amy, thank you for all the things that you're about to see that you packaged for us.
We were I'm waiting for her to get her tattoo finished so we can get home and open this.
Yeah, we got stopped at the post office and we've had this in the backseat of my car this whole time. So
let's get home and open it.
Which is why we are...
I'm loving already what I see.
Which is why we are doing it inside and not outside because I didn't have the patience to get the dogs on their leads.
No, they're not. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
You inspire me. And here we go.
This looks cool. This is legit.
This is legit AF. Oh, it's Daniel's paw ply. Oh my gosh. And it's so soft. Oh my goodness, Amy.
You inspire me to live louder, love harder, speak kinder, walk braver. I hope you know the difference you are making. Oh, thank you so much.
That's so nice.
Then we got a nice little postcard.
I see big.
There is a lot of things in here. I'm excited. We got some more you stuff. I'm going to learn how to kind of yarn.
This is the...
Look at those colors.
Oh my gosh.
Nice.
Oh my, I have to touchy-feely. 100% superwash merino wool. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, you can't... Yeah, it's a little blown out on the camera. These are freaking credible. This one, my gosh. This I have to make something for Rusty because that's your colors. Oh my god. And the pink and purple. Close your eyes, anybody who doesn't like pink. I happen to not mind pink. This is definitely me.
This is made from another friend in her local area. Nice. It actually does smell really nice.
Oh my gosh.
Made this
This is so great.
I'm loving it.
And I've been really down in the dumps lately.
She has been. This is
mentally,
perfect.
Yeah. I'm on day 3 of my panic attacks coming back. I woke up at 6 o'clock this morning panicking.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh, that's
really pretty.
All over. That'll go nice on your altar with your stones and stuff.
So
hide
it's
my
a heart
face.
box.
That's gorgeous.
With flowers in it.
And a little local
actually
person.
also is very
another local
similar
artist.
To the torso earrings Craig just got me.
Oh, you can keep your torsos
in
your
torsos
flower
in
heart
here.
box.
It's perfect. That's really nice.
No, that's very, very you.
Okay.
Yeah, I've been having panic attacks. I haven't really been going on a lot of people's channels and stuff. I'm just...
I like the turn this over that's happening. So
I
this
like
one
all the little
actually says for
tags.
me.
Like all the little tags are on
you need
here.
to stop smelling. The dog is moving my elbow. That's what's happening.
Yeah.
Can you hold that for a second?
Yes. Oh my god. Look at
The
this
dog, whatever's
gorgeous-
in here, the dog really wants.
Yeah, Dougal the hound. Dougal the basset hound. He's a basset.
He is a
Oh my god, look at
basset.
paw plies.
That's
pink,
amazing.
Pink and purple.
Ooh.
This is Daniel's.
Yes.
Paw ply. Okay, well, okay, you remember.
I remember.
Yeah, Daniel's coming to...
Oh my goodness.
Oh my
Dude.
god.
This...
Oh
Dude, you
my
can't have it.
god.
Look at this gem.
Oh, I am in love.
This is delightful.
That is the coolest hat that I've ever seen. And
This is so right
Can
up
you?
my
Yeah,
alley.
you could see the different colors of the stripes. Mommy, did you make that? She had to have made that.
This is absolutely amazing. Thank you
Yes,
so
that-
so
That
very much.
yeah, and look, she even drew a picture.
Yes. So I was curious on what the
I
prank was
just
going to be.
love. Oh my God, this is so. Oh, that is so amazing.
I absolutely love it.
And look at the green pom pom
Yeah.
matches. Oh, you'll be sporting that.
I'm gonna have you put that on your side
Yeah.
since Dougal will not
Oh
let me
my
put my hands to it.
God.
I know. It smells like
Absolutely. This is the bomb, man. That is the bomb. Oh my gosh.
Amazing. And I'm
Yeah,
pretty
no,
sensual.
this is the dogs. It smells so yummy. That is. Let's get this so we don't have dog snot on it. Oh, I can't touch the velvet. I'm gonna put it in here.
You got it.
Yeah, let me. Yeah, the boys.
They help.
Yeah,
they're
the boys
very
are
helpful dogs.
This is I can't
Yeah.
even. I'm speechless so far. This is just.
If it wasn't for the fact that he would eat it off of
Amy.
my head literally right
Yeah.
now, I would be putting that on right now.
Oh
but
my God.
Clearly, he's gonna
this
eat it
is
off my
the
head.
cutest hat,
Absolutely amazing.
and it's perfect. And I
Yes.
love the little green pom pom. And these yarns are gorgeous. And her card is.
But
really nice
wait,
too.
there's more.
You're spoiling us.
I can only hope you wrote all these notes while you were packing this because they're delightful.
Oh, these are great. Yeah, that she
It's
made
me.
that hat.
Hi, it's me again. Earrings made by another girl.
Oh my goodness, this is so fun.
Me, I'm the girl who made these. Oh, you make these?
Yes, so she has some handmade items, also items from some of my fave small markers. Where the
My
art
favorite
comes from.
markers
My
made
favorite
these.
markers make those.
We were actually just visiting the
We
place
would
where
share.
Craig got Mama G and I
Oh.
those things. And I was just talking about how I love to treat myself to local artists.
Okay, so she does not have a YouTube channel, but she does have an Instagram.
Oh.
And so she must be selling some of these items. I'm going to just hold this up. It's heart_hugs17. Okay. So this is Mombie. Her real name is Amy.
And
Hope that's okay
we're
to
gonna
say
be-
that.
Oh, yes, hopefully you're
Oh yeah,
home.
we're going to be stalking you on Instagram for sure. But she made these. So these are items that I'm assuming she probably has these for sale.
I love
also-
mushrooms.
And yeah, of course she loves
I mean,
mushrooms.
you might know that already.
Yes.
I do wear them all the
mushrooms
time,
are
talk
our
about them.
future.
Magnets and mushrooms.
That's awesome.
I love
You
this.
are my new besties. Oh, thank you
Aw,
so much.
Hi, bestie. I'm putting in my
Hope
new
you
earring,
love it.
bestie.
Of course we friggin' love
The
it.
best part about this earring is that I only ever wear one dangly earring, but there is a
fun-
sweet man that lives in my house,
Yes.
willingly,
Yeah.
that
He chooses.
also loves mushrooms, and he also he borrows my other earring all
yes.
the time.
So they
So,
can match with
I'm
the
going to be
earring.
wearing this one, and you
Craig
basically
can
just
eat the
gave us
other.
like a
You could be
couple's
wearing
earring
those.
set.
Yeah, no, that's
I'm going to put that in my heart.
There's your heart.
Boop.
Oh my gosh.
All right, we got some
And
more
he
stuff
will.
in
He
here.
forages for mushrooms and cooks mushrooms, and he makes mushroom jerky. I can't even
I would
tell
like you to open this because I feel like you may or may you're going to either
This
love
is-
this fabric or you're going to hate this fabric.
I'm gonna love it.
What are you even doing? I
I
don't know what the
love
dog
it.
is doing. He's like chewing on my knee.
Okay, it's a blue organza bag.
Organza,
Organza
bag.
bag.
Not organza beans.
No,
Is it organza
it's
bean?
Gabanzo.
Gabanzo.
You always do that. Gabanzo beans.
There's
organza
certain words
bag.
I say wrong.
And then there's
I just always have.
amigurumi.
Amigurumi.
This is a little. Oh,
I'm
that must
assuming
be
that
the
little
time.
thing, yeah.
It's a little green pom pom.
Oh, that's really cute.
My color. Oh my god, I love it. Oh, it's so fluffy. I could just like right now because of how I'm feeling with my panics and my anxieties. Like this is so soothing. I can't even
You
tell
good?
you.
You good, bud? Yeah.
Give palms a good shake. Yes, and put them in the dryer. Yes. Would you do? Oh, it's got a tie on it. I'm holding on to it. Okay. So you just to fluff it up. That's my color. I
That's awesome.
slamming. Absolutely. Oh my gosh. This is so amazing, so kind, and we love you. Yeah, this is absolutely beautiful. It's got the little pull thing in there for it.
Being that I just purchased myself a pair of socks that are kind of like this, but they have leaves on them
We could share.
that some people smoke.
Yeah, they have. Or as I told my mother when I bought her those kinds of earrings back when I was a teenager, they're just maple leaves, Mom. And then she wore them to church. Oh my goodness.
I like these ones.
Yeah. Well, we could we could do the thing like you do. I could take one and you could take one because you never match your socks anyway.
So
we're going to do that. We're going to split these and I will take a sock and you can have a sock.
I'm down for that.
So I have some other knee highs so we could do that.
That's got to be more
That's
you.
got me. Little kook. Oh, she showed me. I didn't show you.
Oh, yeah.
That's Pride with purple. Pride
Purple
socks. Because
pride. We believe in
so pride.
equality.
Absolutely. Everything. Oh, that's cute.
Frogs.
And I've got butterflies and little, look at how perfect. My God, you do watch our channel.
Yeah, you definitely watch
You know
our
us.
channel.
Very scary how much you know us. And where was she from? Colorado?
I don't know if we're supposed to say that.
No, the state. Out west. I'm just trying to figure how far away you are. It's not driving distance. Llama. No drama, llamas. Oh. Little llama. We love stickers. Oh my gosh. This is, that's, that must be where she's from. Is that from Colorado? Majestic Pike Peak as viewed from the Garden of the Gods in Australia. That, you know what's weird is Australia is one country that if I could fly again, not that I have wings, but
That's from Australia?
yeah, it says here. Printed in Australia.
Okay, that makes more sense.
Oh, Colorado Springs. Yeah.
I thought so.
I was gonna say I've been out there. I used to live in California, but Australia is one country that I would love to go to. But there's like 8 chicks to every one dude. Oh my God! Here's all the little fun stuff.
Those are the same sticker. So
Okay.
we can share them.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna cover this up because it says don't. Wait, can you
Half
get it?
doesn't want it.
Yeah, don't. You know what? With the mama bear, and
Mama
that's
bear.
and she's got her pride baby bear.
Then we got a nice little butterfly pin.
Oh, these are so
Which we-
awesome.
We all love pins.
Oh, yeah.
Everybody loves
Oh,
pins and everybody loves
God.
stickers.
Oh, that's gorgeous.
These are really
Oh my
cute.
gosh, that's beautiful.
These are little nail files and a charm.
This is such an amazing box.
Right?
Oh, it's from the Appalachians. Oh, and nail files. Ooh.
Right?
Pride beads. Pride beads. We'll just say beads. We're not going to say anything else.
Then we got
Oh,
a pretty sweet Be Relaxed in Color.
I literally just
Channel
found my
your
color
anxious
pencils.
thoughts into calming creative activities.
I almost bought a book, the coloring book.
I literally almost bought you a... Oh, I like that they have the prints on the back.
Oh, nice.
So it's some pretty cool... Oh, it's like a whole bunch of different types.
These are
Got, like,
great.
This bubble one would probably be a lot of fun to color.
Yeah. I actually saw a lady painting a bubble, and how I was going to ask Alyssa how to do that. She's our family artist.
You saw her in the chair room.
Yes,
if
she
you
was in the
watch our
chair room,
channel.
and she's a amazing artist. But I did see when they did the bubble how they do the little colors
Mm-hmm.
on the sides, which make it just look iridescent.
Yeah, this looks like a lot of fun.
Yeah, no, I literally just found my colored pencils. I remember I was looking for the
Yeah.
colored pencils for you, and I found my used ones. So I got a big thing of colored pencils, and I need to have something now to occupy
This
my
is-
brain.
So everything in this package is amazing.
And everything is.
You just gave Mama G the
Yeah.
medicine she needs to calm
yeah,
down from
yeah,
like what's
'cause I
happening the last
am-
few days.
I'm having a really rough time
So-
with this anxiety, and I love that hat.
I know. All around, this
This
has
is-
been absolutely
So
just spectacular. Thank you.
I want to
Thank you.
swear. That's how.
Thank
nice
you
this
for
is.
supporting our channel.
And
Thank you for being our new
a-
best friend.
Yeah, she's our super
Thank
fan.
you so much.
She's a
And
super fan.
Here, your medicine.
Yeah, and I got my colored pencils, and this is going to keep me from. Yeah, I haven't even been able to crochet. That's how
And she crochets like watching TV
bad.
without anything else.
Yeah, I crochet in the dark.
Yeah.
But I haven't even really been able to crochet because my anxiety level has just been so bad. And I'm feeling like this now, and I'm back on my meds.
Yeah.
And the meds I take usually tank me, and I'm just.
This is
Yeah.
absolutely
This
spectacular.
is so way beyond. I'm speechless.
Did you not notice that yours were tattoos?
I was gonna pretend I got a tattoo. I'm totally gonna wear these. I'm gonna before I get home, I'm gonna put a fake tattoo on because we were gonna do that when she was at the shop. do a fake tattoo on me and then tell the man that lives in my house that I got another tattoo. And I would actually, any of these I would
You
have
would, yeah.
tattooed. Any one of
I'm
these
not
I would
even.
absolutely
I'm obviously
have
not
tattooed.
like pink and all that, but I would also tattoo any of those. They're absolutely
Yeah,
adorable.
no, these are
This is
just
this little like rainbow cat.
yeah with this arched
where it's
back.
doing the back arch thing.
That might be my next tattoo.
That's
you know what? I
that's
think
all
it.
things you. It
That's,
really is.
That's going on this arm.
That's all
Yeah.
things you.
That's it. The arch-backed rainbow cat. I might have to make him not a pink cat.
No, do a purple cat, obviously.
I would do purple or black or something. Maybe have some black and purple in it.
Yeah.
With the white feet like a tuxedo cat.
Yes.
In honor of Freddie. Awesome.
Absolutely.
All right, we're blown away.
Thank you.
This
much.
hat that you made. Do check out. Where's the card? Do check her out, please, all y'all. Check her out on Instagram at heart_hugs17. I'm reading it backwards on the camera. All right.
And if you aren't already on Instagram, the best thing about that is it's whatever you want it to be. I follow a few key things, and that's all that's on my feed. It's not a lot of drama. It's nothing like that. It's just like art, and people sharing their artsy things, and people sharing like cool stuff that they make.
And you don't get the drama on that like you do on the Book of Faces.
I don't think she heard I just said that.
Oh, I didn't. I was looking at the pictures that I'm going to color when I go home.
Awesome.
This is beautiful, Amy.
Spectacular.
Mombie.
Thank you, Mombie.
Just look at the cup with cinnamon. Oh my gosh. Yeah. This right now is going to be my
anti-panic attack.
anti-anxiety stress thing.
Awesome.
Because I have tactile issues. Fur I love. And it's just that velvet stuff I don't like. Anyway,
awesome.
I know. Where are we? Oh my God, this is like the longest
17.
video. Mommy, you made us do the longest video. Everything is sensational, gorgeous, so thought-provoking, so thoughtful, and just beyond. And like we have your address, and we'll have to reciprocate with something cool. Just saying. I see a mystery mailing coming soon.
Mystery mail.
Anyway, love you. Check out Mombie on Instagram, and we'll see you, Mombie, on the streets and the lives and so forth. Love you all, everybody.